get started on your hands and knees. So I want your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. And let's just start with a cat stretch. So you're going to round your spine and then arch. So basically this is kind of the way I like to move through my workouts. If I just get my mat out and kind of listen to my body and move, it tends to be a lot of Pilates with some other things thrown in, such as yoga moves and maybe a little bit of like some cardio in there, some bar moves. Basically no rules. We're just going to move and see how it feels. All right, so let's go halfway in between those two and bring your right arm out in front of you, your left leg back behind you. Spinal balance here. Lower the arm and leg and then lift. So it's just a really nice way to warm up the back body here to kind of get into those postural muscles. Last two. Find your breath. Nice job. Bring it back down. And let's switch sides. Left arm, right leg, and lower, and lift. Trying to keep your back in the same position the whole time. Last two. Nice job. Bring them back in. And let's round and arch. Again, come back through center. All right, and you're going to take your right leg, flex the foot, and lift the leg up and down. I personally tend to do a lot of work, especially in a warm up in an all fours position like this, because it works your arms so well. It's such a great full body kind of workout, just being on all fours. And last two. And one. Stay here. Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Nice job. Bring it back down. Now, what I want you to do, and I'm going to start moving through progression. So as always, you can just stick with the previous move if that's better for you. I'm going to curl my left toes underneath. And then, actually, I'm going to curl both toes and float my knees up. So my knees are floating. Right leg's going to come off, and you're going to lift and lower. So already, I feel that burn in my left quad. Last 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to add something to it. As you kick the leg up, I want you to straighten your left leg out and then pull everything back down. Okay, exhale and inhale. And if you're doing it modified, just leave that left knee down. Okay? And last 2. Last one. Stay here. Walk your hands back towards your left foot and now lower and lift the right leg. Lower, lift. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Now one more part here. You ready? We're going to bend the left knee and bring the right knee behind it and then straighten and kick it back. Okay, inhale, bend. Exhale, kick. If you're wondering where the warm-up went, we're well past it. We're just right into the work. 3 and 2. Last one. Okay, walk out. Find plank. Lower and lift the right leg. Lower, lift, lower, lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Sweep the leg forward. So you're in this long lunge here. And bring the left knee down and then hands up onto the right knee. Let's find a stretch. Bring the right hand down, left hand over. And then both hands come back. Curl the toes in the left. Lift the leg up. Okay, nice long spine. Good job. Plant your hands. Send the right leg back. Both knees down. And we have another side. So at least now you know what's coming. I never know if that's good or bad to know what's coming next. Flex the left foot. Lift the leg up and down. A little bend or a micro bend on your elbows so that they're not locked. Okay, last two. Now remember, you go at your own pace, and then also just stay here. Don't progress if it's not right for you yet, okay? Curl the toes. Actually, it's always easier to come back. Bring both down. Curl both toes. Lift your knees. Are you ready? Here we go. And this might be enough here, right? If you need to rest, you can't. This is a great exercise just right here. Practice hovering, and then just lower your knees down. Okay, that's a great one. Otherwise, let's take it. Leg lifts and lowers. So I have just the left leg. 4, 3. You guys have me breathing heavy already. 2, 1. Okay, here we go. We're just going to straighten the right leg, kick the left one, pull it back in. So really use the exhale to kick the leg away from you. Last 2. Stay here. Walk the hands back. Gotta find my balance here. Lower the left leg and lift. Lower, lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the right knee. Bring yourself into this little teeny ball. The left knee comes behind the right, and then straighten them both back. 3, 2, 1. Last piece. Walk out to your plank. Lower, lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sweep the leg through. Okay, same. Find that nice long lunge first. Okay. Then you can bring the back knee down. Hands come up. Left hand down, right hand over. Nice. Hands come down. Lift the back knee. Then sweep the leg back. Hold your plank. Okay. Now I want you to walk your hands back as you bend your knees. Again, you find this little ball position and then walk back out. A bear crawl. Okay, well, we're not really crawling actually. So walk in and out. Lead with different hands each time. Even yourself out. One more. Find your plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down and wide and sit back. Roll yourself up. And then let's sweep your legs around in front of you. Let's have the legs mat distance apart. Pull your toes back towards you. Sit up nice and tall. And first, just see if you can get those sit bones nice and heavy. Okay, and then when you're ready, hands behind your head. Inhale to the right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Rotating through your center. Keep the toes pulled back so that your legs are nice and active. This is always where I start to really feel if I have any tightness in my spine right there for me. One more each side. Nice job. Bring the legs together. Arms out in front. Inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone. Roll yourself all the way down. Inhale, arms back. Exhale, arms come up. Tuck your chin. Roll over. Restack nice and tall. And then curl from the tailbone to roll back down. Leave the shoulders down. So remember to modify here. If you have a hard time rolling up, there's 2 things you can do. 1, you can just roll to your side, sit up, and just practice on that slow rolling down. That's the eccentric piece to this. And it's a really great way to build strength. Anytime you can work into the eccentric contraction. All right, so that's fine. The other thing is, you've heard me say it, take a towel roll, like a hand towel, roll it up long, skinny, and put it across your low back. You will roll down onto it, and it will help you roll back up. If you haven't tried it, please try it, because it is one of the most amazing tricks out there. Okay, roll down halfway. Stay here. Fingertips reach out, but your shoulder blades reach back, okay? Exhale, right leg lifts. Inhale, lower. Left leg, lower. Four more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale, roll back down. Now just go to your shoulder blades. Pull the right leg in. Your left leg reaches out. Are you ready? Single leg stretch. So all I'm doing is guiding my knee when it comes in, trying to get shoulder blades off, and think about the other leg reaching out, out. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten the right leg up. Climb up the leg a little higher. Then switch legs. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Both knees in. Roll yourself down. Nice job. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.